Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you the process of photo editing with the preset, and I'll provide you that preset download link in my video description. And the photo was like that, and I'll just apply this photo. The effect will be like that. So what I have done here, at first I just made it like that applied the preset and then use the Nik Collection and then added a lens flare which is from the render. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So closing this window and go to the file and open up. Here is my stock image, and I downloaded this one from the wallpapers.com and give you that download link in my video description. So please check it out. At first press Ctrl J for the copy of this layer and then go to the filter and camera filter. Camera filter is a plugins of the Photoshop. If you want to get the download link of the camera filter, you can check out my video description. And those who are the user of the Creative Cloud version, you are getting this one by default in your Photoshops. So here is a small menu. Go to the load settings options, and here I just made the preset which is like orange and brown, and open it up. You're getting this type of nice look. Let's see what is the setup. Here the warm or temperature plus 13 and highlight minus 19 and shadow plus 44 and clarity plus 3, variance minus 10, and the tone curve, the RGB tone curve is like that, and blue I didn't touch, green and red I didn't work with that, and sharpening I didn't touch that. And then the Hsl panel, most important thing, the hue, saturation, luminance, and here I make the hue of the green like that plus 100%. Saturation of the green I just made it 0 or minus 100, whatever you can tell, and yellow that is plus 28, and luminance that is plus 31, and split toning the value of the highlight 122 and the saturation that is 16, and the shadow value that is the 165 and saturation 10. And no lens correction issues and effects, I didn't touch that. And camera calibration, here I made the hue of the primary red color that is plus 63 and the saturation plus 29, and hue plus 52 and minus 100 that is the green primary saturation, and blue primary that is minus 51. That's all, and hit the OK button. After that press Ctrl J, another one, filter and the Nik Collection Color Effects Pro 4. Nik Collection is a bunch of effects or filters. You can download this one, and if you want to get the download link, please check out my video description. And from here I'm using the cross processing, here this one, lots of method over there. From here I choose a preset which is L08 and hit OK. So it will take time to load it up and give you the final output, and that's nice. And now I'll add the lens flare. How to do that? Take a new blank layer and fill this one with a like black color, and then go to the filter, and here is the render options, and here is the lens flare options. So make it 50 to 300 millimeter zoom lens and just make it like that and hit OK. And after that go to the blending mode and make it screen like that. Yeah, that's fine. And press Ctrl T and make it bigger, so you can rotate it like that and you can place it out in this portion. That's fine. And the before one and after one, you're getting nice or extra effects and the green and brown mix up, which is amazing for your photographs. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you want to get the download link of the resource file, please check out my video description. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.